आमतौर पर गृहलक्ष्मी हाथ में एक पतीला लेकर आती है घर में, ये बंदूक बंदूक क्या चल रहा है? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग?
यस ये कहानी है ऐसी लड़की की, कैसे वो लक्ष्मी से रानी बनती है, जिंदगी में जो एम्बैरेसमेंट उसको झेलनी पड़ती है, उसकी कहानी है।
इट वॉज क्वाइट सम टाइम। हाउ मच डिड यू मिस द सेट्स?
मैंने कुछ मिस नहीं किया बिकॉज आई हैव बीन देयर, आउट देयर थ्रू आउट। जितना मेरी बॉडी ने मुझे अलाउ किया, जितना मेरे डॉक्टर्स ने मुझे अलाउ किया, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई ऑलरेडी हैड अ लॉट इन माय प्लेट टू थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स.
When you were in television and the kind of roles that you were doing, because we knew that अरे इनको देखकर हमारी बहू भी ऐसी हो, हर सास कहती थी, ये आपको ऐसे रिश्ते आते थे?
एयरपोर्ट पे रिश्ते आए हैं, फ्लाइट में रिश्ते आए हैं, ही इज माई सन, विल यू मैरी हिम. इनफैक्ट एक बार टॉयलेट में रिश्ते आए हैं, बिकॉज माई रिएक्शन वॉज आंटी वॉट आर यू टॉकिंग. हाँ ठीक है आंटी, okay. मैं आती हूँ आंटी. सोशल मीडिया पे अगर मैंने कोई भी चीज़ मेरे डायग्नोसिस को लेकर जाहिर की है, it is definitely for my fans. Some videos I would want to say that the intention was to send a message. Whenever I walked in Koklaban Hospital, I have always avoided looking at this one board which says it's the cancer department. You know, I've always avoided it. I never ever imagined that I'll land up there. You understand what I'm saying?
Your very sweet, heartfelt note about Salman Khan also did the rounds.
Yeah, and that's very true. I mean, he gave me his time, his attention, and the way he asked me and inquired about every little detail was so heartwarming. Hi, this is Hina Khan, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hungama. मेरा नाम है उर्मिन and look who I have with me. The woman who has all the power, all the energy and is also known as Sher Khan, Hina Khan.
Thank you, Urmil.
How are you doing?
I am good, recovering, taking each day at a time and good. It's been fine as of now.
Well, we want to just start by saying that how happy I am, your fans are to see you. ऐसा मतलब बहुत लोग ऐसे कह रहे हैं कि this new show is like a comeback, but you women have always been in everyone's heart.
You can say that. Like, I would want to take the credit for this, that I made sure and since the time all of this happened in my life, I made sure that I'm there, I'm available, and the reason behind that was just one, that I wanted to normalize it to me.
Yeah.
It wasn't for people.
But you helped people too.
That is different. वो एक अलग कहानी है कि लोगों को उससे क्या inspiration मिला. You know what I mean? That's a complete different story. But for me, to normalize this was just me feeling normal about it. Me feeling normal about my life and not taking it as in a way that this is it, I'm gone. No, for me it was all about that this is just a hiccup and that's my normal life, and I have to do everything what I've been doing throughout. So I made sure that I do that. Of course I couldn't do it to my complete capacity for obvious reasons, but whatever little I could, you've seen that I have been available on social media, that I did only because I wanted to feel normal. And if that helped people to normalize this journey, nothing better than that.
How did you feel with the overwhelming love that your fans gave you?
I am here because of that. Trust, it's not just about fans. It is you. It is everyone. Look, I can see it in your eyes.
You have made us so emotional, Hina, really. I'm so happy. Not for me, but most importantly for people who are watching this interview, to be here, to listen to you talk, and like you said, it's amazing. I'm so glad. And what a great comeback. Wow. मतलब आमतौर पर गृहलक्ष्मी हाथ में एक पतीला लेकर आती है घर में, ये बंदूक क्या चल रहा है? What's happening?
Yes. ये कहानी है ऐसी लड़की की, एक बहुत ही साधारण सी लड़की है, लक्ष्मी. उसकी कहानी है कैसे वो लक्ष्मी से रानी बनती है, उसके सर्वाइवल की कहानी है, उसकी हार्डशिप्स की कहानी है, उसकी जिंदगी में जो एम्बैरेसमेंट उसको झेलनी पड़ती है उसकी कहानी है, और व्हाट लीड्स टू व्हाट शी द स्टेप्स शी टेक्स इन द स्टोरी एंड टू बिकम लक्ष्मी, सॉरी टू बिकम रानी. वो एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग जर्नी है, एंड आई वुड वांट यू ऑल टू वॉच, all the audiences. I would request you all to watch it on 16th of January on Epicon. It's hell of a ride, and it's not just about me. It is about each and every character in this story. You are going to fall in love with each character because everyone has performed so brilliantly. Great actors, brilliant actors. I've taken back so much from them, especially humility. Be it the Bendu ji, Chunky ji, Rahul Dev is there, and all the other actors. Everyone has performed so beautifully. You have to watch this show. I have been saying this time and again. You have to watch the show, and you will realize one thing I can vouch for is that each and every character, even a 2-minute character, has performed brilliantly. So you have to watch the show.
तो ये लक्ष्मी या फिर रानी का किरदार रियल लाइफ हिना से कितना मिलता जुलता है? व्हाट आर द सिमिलैरिटीज जो आपने पाई है?
आई थिंक ये सिर्फ हिना से इंस्पिरेशन नहीं है इसकी. आई थिंक हर एक इंसान से इंस्पिरेशन लेता है ये कैरेक्टर. जब आप अपनी हार्डशिप्स में, अपनी सर्वाइवल स्टोरी में, एक फेज आता है हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में जहाँ पर आप वो करेज गैदर करते हैं और वो लीप ऑफ फेथ लेते हैं जो लक्ष्मी ने लिया. It happens in everyone's life at one point of time. तो उस करेज की कहानी है ये. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैंने प्रेरणा मेरे अपने रियल लाइफ जो मेरी जर्नी रही है एज हिना उससे ली है. एंड also as an actor, when you start performing as a character, you start living that character. तो अपने आप आपके अंदर वो चीज़ आ जाती है कि अच्छा लक्ष्मी की ये जर्नी है, शी इज़ अ हाउसमेड, एंड इसकी struggles and the amount of embarrassment she has to go through. What will Hina do, or how will Lakshmi handle it? And कैसे वो courage पाती है to do what she does, the leap of faith she takes. So उसकी कहानी है. Of course, कहीं ना कहीं I would agree to you कि Lakshmi took that inspiration from Hina. Yeah.
How lovely. Tell us, since it was quite some time, how much did you miss the sets? क्या सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब क्या मिस करती थी आप? FOMO होता था?
I did. I felt bad because there were a couple of projects I was locked for. We were supposed to shoot, where eventually they had to replace me for obvious reasons, and it was mutual. Very respectfully they reached out, and I do get it. You can wait for 2 months, 3 months, but it's a very long journey, more than a year. So I understand, and everyone has deadlines. So I get that. I did feel bad about those projects because I was very excited about them. But nonetheless, I had a lot on my plate. So अगर आप मुझे कहेंगे कि मैंने क्या मिस किया, मैंने कुछ मिस नहीं किया because I have been there, out there throughout.
Yeah.
जो भी जितना भी whatever little bit you've seen of me, I have been out there. जितना मेरी बॉडी ने मुझे अलाउ किया, जितना मेरे डॉक्टर्स ने मुझे अलाउ किया. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई ऑलरेडी हैड अ लॉट इन माई प्लेट टू थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स. इट्स हेल ऑफ अ जर्नी. इट्स नॉट ईजी, बट देर आर बैड डेज, देर आर वर्स्ट डेज, but there are good days. There are good days. There are very good days too.
For actors, चाहे हो ना हो, लेकिन insecurity becomes like a baggage that keeps coming in. Before everything happened, Hina, was this insecurity tag always part of you? And if it was, how would you deal with it?
Never.
Oh, how lovely.
Never. Not even in this journey. I swear, hand on my heart. Never. Insecurity of you mean someone else taking over?
Correct.
Another actor taking
because
over.
every day is a new day.
I have always gotten my due. I have. Like there are a lot of things where I have not been comfortable or I have not liked the character and I have said no to that project. And I think as an actor we all should have that liberty in this entertainment business to say no
Yep.
if you don't like certain character. And whatever little I have done in my 15 years of journey, I have really really enjoyed it and I have never been insecure or anything. I think I've always set the bar. Why are you talking about insecurities?
Definitely, woman, definitely.
Yes.
See, मतलब हीना में already रानी बसी हुई है. रानी को चाहिए थी qualities हीना की.
Yeah. So talk about setting the bar.
Totally, totally.
Yeah.
So, you started your career from television. Then there were films, music videos, OTT, so many things that you did. And इसके अलावा भी आपने एकेडमिक वाइज भी बहुत कुछ किया है, लाइक मास्टर्स किए हैं आपके, राइट?
No, bachelor's.
बैचलर्स किए हैं. सो व्हाट वाज लाइक, बचपन में क्या सपना था? डिड यू ऑलवेज वांट टू बी एन एक्टर?
No. Everyone knows I always wanted to become a journalist. Never, acting was never my forte or my cup of tea. I just landed in this business. Never in my dreams. I always wanted to become a journalist, on field again. Rani wali qualities, to cover everything.
How
and
lovely.
Yeah.
But when you were in television and the kind of roles that you were doing, because we knew that अरे इनको देखकर हमारी बहू भी ऐसी हो, हर सास कहती थी, ये आपको ऐसे रिश्ते आते थे?
Oh yes.
What were the weirdest things
a lot. मेरे को एयरपोर्ट पे रिश्ते आए हैं, फ्लाइट में रिश्ते आए हैं. He's my son, will you marry him? Literally, I'm not exaggerating. In fact, एक बार टॉयलेट में रिश्ते आए हैं. Like मतलब a woman reached out to me. I was washing my hands in a public toilet, and she said, I am from a Marwadi family and I have a son who lives somewhere abroad. I remember this. ये story मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है because my reaction was, Auntie, what are you talking? हाँ ठीक है आंटी, मैं आती हूँ आंटी. And I left. That's how it was. So yes, yeah. I think that character was so close to people's heart.
Absolutely.
सबको लगता था कि यार बस बहू हो तो ऐसी.
And क्योंकि like you said, like people felt that you were so approachable, and you have been that kind. Was that the reason why it was important for you to also share updates with your fan family when things were going a certain way?
I was sharing my updates for my fans, yes, because my family knew.
Yeah.
People who are close to me, they knew what I'm going through. So सोशल मीडिया पे अगर मैंने कोई भी चीज़ मेरे डायग्नोसिस को लेकर जाहिर की है, इट इज़ डेफिनेटली फॉर माई फैंस, नोबडी एल्स. नॉट विद एन इंटेंशन की how will people react or whatever. It has only been some videos. I would want to say that the intention was to send a message.
Yeah.
Some initial जो मेरे videos थे where I'm cutting my hair and all of those were definitely, I intended, I'm telling you my intention, I intended to put it out because I remember, I just don't want to talk much about it, but it's just that मैंने हमेशा से whenever I walked in Koklaban Hospital, I have always avoided looking at this one board which says it's the cancer department. I've always avoided it. I never ever imagined that I'll land up there. You understand what I'm saying? So, and उस department में जाने के बाद मैंने realize किया my first time when I walked in and I realized that people with oot-patang wigs, some are covering it with the scarf. लोगों को पता नहीं है that वो पहली बार जब मैं अंदर गई उस डिपार्टमेंट में और फिर कई बार गई before I lost my hair, I realized कि people just don't know. I remember I spoke to a lady and she said कि मेरे इतने लंबे बाल थे चले गए. और उस दिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार लंबे बालों का भी कुछ करके आप अपना कुछ क्रिएट कर सकते हो. It was second or third time I walked in and I spoke to that lady, and that's when I decided I can do this and I should do this and I should put it out.
Yeah.
So some videos definitely with an intention of giving it out, giving a message to the audience, to the people who are going through it, that there are ways and we need to normalize this and focus on our mental health. That is the most important thing in this journey. So yes, some were just for natural, regular updates,
Yeah.
but some were intentional. Yes.
Your friends from the industry were also backing and there constantly. They
Oh
were,
my God.
how
Oh
did
my
how
God.
did that make you feel?
Oh my
Hina?
God. Oh my God. Who has not reached out to me? Who has not? Name one actor or actress who's not reached. I am blessed. Touch wood, touch wood. I will only say this. I am blessed. What strangers, what people have done for me. I just don't, I will talk about it. I will. But when the right time comes, I will share my journey. I will share how it happened, what happened, how each and every day, what I went through, good days, bad days, worst days. I will share my journey.
Do you see yourself writing a book about it?
पता नहीं यार, बहुत लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया, and then they said, I said I will not remember anything यार, इतनी लंबी जर्नी है, but to be very honest, I remember each and every bit. People said write it down, note it,
Yeah.
but I remember everything from day one till now, each and everything.
From the time that you were told.
Yes, everything. So people from the industry have been so loving and so welcoming. Rubina, she's such a sweetheart. Yeah. I'm in touch with a lot of people constantly. There's this very sweet gesture Rubina does. वो मुझे टाइप करके मैसेज नहीं भेजती है whenever she sends me a message. That is so sweet. I will always remember this. She writes it down on a paper
And she takes a picture.
and then takes a picture and sends it to me. People have done such amazing things, so heartwarming and overwhelming. I can't even begin to tell
Your
you.
very sweet, heartfelt note about Salman Khan also did the rounds.
Yeah,
And
that's very true. I mean, he gave me his time, his attention, and the way he asked me and inquired about every little detail was so heartwarming.
I'm so happy, Hina. I'm so happy to see you. Like I said, I started the interview by saying, "ये comeback नहीं है. You have been within
Yes.
us, so
Yes.
I'm grateful."
And ready to shoot,
हाँ.
ready to rock and roll.
कुछ
Yes.
और apart from Real Lakshmi, would you like to talk about any other projects that are coming up?
नहीं, this was the last I shot before my diagnosis. So अब जो आएगा वो आपको पता चलेगा.
अब जो आएगा वो
Yes.
शेर खान वाला मटेरियल होने वाला है.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching us on Bollywood Hangama. Hina Khan.
Hi, this is Hina Khan and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.